Well, America, remember all that stimulus money you gave me? Yeah, all that's gone now. I put all of it back into expanding my essential business, but people still aren't going out. So I'm gonna need a lot more money, like a lot more, or else all my employees are gonna starve, and that'll be your fault, not mine. But in the meantime, everyone come visit Ryan's. We really got something for everybody here with this new expansion, and at this point, we'd appreciate any business, honestly. We got one new rule though, no masks allowed inside. Those things look fucking stupid.
If you like penis enchiladas, meet Jean-Claude Van Damme. If your yacht is full of soda, and you don't have a straw to drain. If you like mating doves at midnight, mixing prunes with your grapes, we're the star that you look for. Park for free and escape. Ryan's penis-themed Mexican restaurant, giant crazy straw store, and genealogy center for birds and fruits with a Jean-Claude Van Damme meet and greet table is located directly next to Ryan's Penis and Koalas-themed cocaine steakhouse and seafood roadside fitness center, neurology lab, and glove-making workshop right next to the Walmart Supercenter off Highway 45, Columbus, Mississippi. No feeding enchiladas to Jean-Claude Van Damme until after you've made gloves to the glove-making workshop across the street.
Thank you very much. Essential.